Hey RV owners, Bobby King here with Mr. RV, and we are here to share our secrets and tricks to help you navigate your RV. Here at Mr. RV, we care about the best quality products. So that's why we directly recommend and work with Eternabond. But we don't want you to just hear us and do it because we're saying so. We want to show you some of the reasons why. So first off, thickness matters, okay? This is what we're talking about. We have our 4x10 here, and we have calipers. So if you can zoom in here, we got 0, 0 on there. It is zeroed out. We are going to pull back, and we are going to see a 3.5, 3.7 line right there, okay? That is some really thick tape. So with Eternabond, there are other competitors out there, and we want to show you the difference between the thickness that we just saw from the Eternabond tape and from one of the competitors. So we have another competitor here. We're going to open it up. This is a brand new roll. This is not something that obviously they know we're doing or anything like that, but we're going to open this and we're going to do a thickness test. If I can open it. It's not easy to open, I'll be honest. That's a factor right there. Okay, so awesome. Have all their stuff off. We're going to pull this back. And immediately their liner comes off. Their liner is stuck to the other layer. That is, what in the world? So we have the competitors one. We are here zeroed out at 0, 0 again. Make sure we're not having any funny business going on. We're going to pull it back. And we are going to caliper it together. And you see on there that is 2.8. 2.8, it's flexed up to 2.85 at some moments, but it looks like it's staying solid at 2.8. So as you saw, Eternabond was 36 mils and the competitor is 28 mils. That's a 25% thickness difference. And that allows you to have better adhesion to whatever you are trying to put your Eternabond tape on. So again, don't take our word for it, but the math says that you should pick Eternabond. Thanks for watching Mr. RV. Safe travels, happy camping, and we'll see you on your next adventure.